Hello and welcome back to Naturally Miss Chris. Today I'll be showing you guys one of my favorite DIY deep conditioners. I would recommend using glass for this step, but I was being a little rebellious, so I did it. You can use any conditioner of choice. I would suggest using a cheaper brand, but this was all that I had on hand, so I just went with it. I didn't measure the conditioner because I pretty much know what I need for my hair, but if you feel that you might have to measure the conditioner, go ahead. Okay, so you want to hurry up the process. You want to hurry up and mix all the ingredients together as quickly as you can, because this is not like a hot oil treatment where you're just going straight in with the oil. You are mixing it in with the conditioner and it takes a little time. And you want your oil to still be warm when you apply it to your hair and scalp. So I went ahead and applied one side of my hair with the deep conditioner because I didn't want the video to be longer than what it really had to be. I am detangling my hair as I go. So once I wash the conditioner out, I will have little to no tangles in my hair. I've been noticing that since I've been doing a lot more braid outs and twist outs in my hair, that my hair has been more defined. I'm not sure if that works for everyone, but it seems to be working for me. Just last year, my hair did not have this much definition. It's like my curl pattern and texture has changed. The plan was to wear the shower cap for only 30 minutes, but I ended up doing other things and wearing it for 2 hours or maybe a little over 2 hours. My hair was so soft and easy to detangle once I washed out the conditioner, and it gave my hair, look at this y'all, and that's without any products other than my oil. It was so soft and tangle free, I didn't even have to part it in sections. I was like, well, you know what, this is a win, so I'm gonna take it and run with it. This is my first time using Cara Daughter's hair milk, and even though it defines my curls, I don't really like it because first off, I do not like the smell. You know that one person at church that always wears too much perfume? It reminds me of that, and it makes my hair feel gritty for some reason. Okay, so I basically cropped out half of this side because I was making some weird facial expressions because that smell is so strong. It's crazy. This is the part of my hair that gives me the most trouble. Just so stubborn. I guess it's more like me than other parts of my hair. Look at this rebellion. The brush went through smoothly on every parts of my hair but that part. So now I will be focusing on my ends because like I've mentioned in a previous video, I do not trim or cut my end, so they need a little more TLC. So I massage my scalp for 10 minutes off camera because I know you guys do not just want to sit there and watch me massage my scalp. I decided to do a lint check before I rewashed my hair because I could not take the smell of the hair milk. It was way too strong and I refuse to be walking around smelling like that. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing.